Minasan, konnichiwa, Charles des. So today we're gonna be exploring Minato Mirai, the central business district of Yokohama. Today here with me is our friend Arai-san.
皆さんこんにちは、新井です。チャールズさんと一緒に働いてます。今日は港未来を歩きたいと思います。
So let's check out what Minato Mirai has to offer. Let's go! First up is what college students like or knows the best, and it's cup noodles. So we are in Cup Noodles Museum. We're gonna visit here today, so let's go! First thing we're gonna do is head up to the cup noodle factory on the third floor and make our own noodles. You can make your own cup noodles in my cup noodle factory. You can customize the cup design and even choose the soup flavor and the toppings. First thing you've got to do is to get an empty cup. And of course, we need to clean our hands. Then it's time to customize the cups. Next thing we're gonna do is put the cup on the noodle. Next up is choosing the flavor and the toppings. I ended up choosing curry flavor with chicken Naruto, cheddar cheese, roasted garlic, and pork meat for the toppings. The cup noodle is then ready to be packed and sealed for us to take home. Our cup noodle is now sealed and ready to be enjoyed later. Now that we have made our own ramen, we're gonna check out ramen history, what ramen is all about throughout the time. Instant ramen was invented by Momofuku Ando. He is also the founder of Nissin that we all know and love today. The exhibit shows instant noodles from the very first instant noodles to the latest products available in the market. We just learned that instant ramen was invented by Momofuku Ando in his late 40s. Let's check out his hall where he invented the instant ramen. Momofuku Ando shared 6 key factors on how he succeeded with instant noodles. First things you gotta do is you have to discover something completely new. You have to look for ideas or what do we need in order to progress. You got to find hints in all places, we can get many inspirations and ideas on how we could solve our problems. Momofuku Ando taught us is that we have to nurture ideas. If you have an idea, it's good to share with everyone so maybe someday we will live in a better place. Fourth one that Momofuku Ando taught us that we should look at things at all angles, at all different directions, so you can find the right solution and how to approach it. The fifth thing that Momofuku Ando shared with us is that you don't need to go with the status quo. It's easier to go to a path that everybody takes, but it's better to make your own path, and maybe you will find out something new. Lastly, but definitely not the least, is that you should never ever give up. If you are having troubles, just keep on going, and at the end it will be alright. After making your own cup noodles and touring the creative thinking boxes, you can grab a bite at Noodles Bazaar, where they offer different kinds of noodles from around the world. So 6 things we learned from Cup Noodles Museum is that first, you have to discover something completely new. Next is that you can find hints or inspiration around everything. Third is you should nurture ideas. Fourth is that you should how do I say it? Fourth is that you should see things in all angles. Fifth is you should not base yourself from the status quo. And sixth, and most importantly, is never ever give up. Momofuku Ando taught us a lot of things, and I hope you guys learned it too. That's all for Cup Noodles Museum. Bye! Thank you guys for watching part 1 of our Minato Mirai tour. We have a surprise for you guys on part 2, so stay tuned. See you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ijou desu. Peace!